Aditi Computer Education, a perfect choice for your child.
Hey, Amit. I'm thinking of enrolling my son in computer classes. Any suggestions?
Absolutely. Have you heard of Aditi Computer Education? It's the best choice for your son's computer education.
Really? Why is that?
Aditi Computer Education has great teachers and modern computer labs. Your son will learn from experts and practice on the latest technology.
That sounds perfect. But what if he needs help?
Don't worry. They give personal attention to each student, with small classes for better focus and support.
That's reassuring. What about their schedule?
Aditi Computer Education offers flexible timings for both weekdays and weekends. They understand the importance of accommodating different schedules.
That's convenient. What else do they offer?
They make learning fun with interactive sessions, group projects, and competitions. Your son will enjoy the entire learning process.
Sounds amazing. How can I contact them?
Just visit www.aditicomputeredu.com. You'll find all the information there, and they even offer free consultations to discuss your son's needs.
Thanks, Amit. I'll check it out right away. I appreciate your recommendation.
No problem. Your son will thrive at Aditi Computer Education. Best of luck.